First salad is the avocado, egg, and bacon salad. I make it with romaine lettuce, cucumbers, green bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, and some salt and pepper. Then I go ahead and add one avocado, cut it up in slices, and just add the avocado. California avocados, of course. I add one hard-boiled egg and I just do the egg white. For some reason, I just don't like to do the yolk on my salad.
Okay, and add the real bacon bites. I also wanted to remind you guys to download the grocery apps. I have them on my bio if you guys want to download so you can get free gift cards from grocery shopping. Add the feta cheese crumbs to finish this yummy salad. So the dressing I use, we get it at Costco. It's called Q-Pie, I think it's called. And it's a sesame dressing. It's so yummy. You guys have to try it. All right, this is done. So good. Let me know if you guys like it. Second salad is the berry spinach salad. Add your spinach into a bowl. I buy the bag, or sometimes I tend to buy the pack that comes in that clear box, depending on how much we're gonna make. The chicken, we get the rotisserie chicken that's already made and we take it apart because it's already flavored and it's faster to make. Okay, my berries are washed and my strawberries have been cut, and I get my strawberries at the strawberry farm, so they're nice and fresh. Add your blueberries and add as many as you want. I mean, you know, base it on your tasting, your like, and your fresh strawberries. So yummy. Finish it off with some feta cheese and add your dressing. We get the Lighthouse balsamic dressing marinade. So good. This is my third salad, the fiesta salad. So for this salad, we cut up some romaine lettuce, tomatoes, and then we add chicken, and we get the rotisserie chicken again. You can also boil your chicken at home, but this is just so easy, and we just cut it up. We add corn, some red onions. Some people don't like onions, so don't add onions, but to me, you have to. Mexican cheese mix, some tri-color tortilla strips, some ranch dressing. You can go with the light dressing if you like, and avocado ranch dressing. Or you can just do the avocado and don't do the other dressing. And some avocados to finish it off, and enjoy it, guys. It's so delicious. This is my fourth salad. I call it Caprese a la Geraldine. For this salad, I use spinach, and I also use cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onions. And I like to get the cherry tomatoes for this salad. And lots of red onions and cucumbers. Some salt and pepper. And I like to use rice vinegar because it's not as sour as the regular apple cider vinegar. Balsamic glaze. This is not one of my favorites, so if you know of a yummy one, let me know. And then some mozzarella balls. I get these at Costco. They are so yummy. Enjoy! Salad number 5, chicken Fuji apple salad. I use romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and red onions for this one. Start off with the roasted sliced almonds. Then you will use the grilled chicken. This chicken is the frozen, the one that comes in the bag. And then your organic Bear baked apples chips. These I get at Costco. You can eat them as chips, or you can put them in your salad. Then add some feta cheese. This is the actually flavored feta cheese, the one that I think has basil. And then Lighthouse balsamic marinated dressing. So good. All right, guys, this is it. Easy salad and delicious. Enjoy. I saved this one for last because it's the longest one to make. Enjoy. So guys, you can make this chicken salad mix for your kiddos. I've been doing this since my kids were toddlers and they love eating it with Ritz cracker. They still love it to this day. So what I like to do is I like to put it in my salad. So I'm gonna do is, instead of using more dressing, I'm gonna use lemon as my dressing for my salad. So I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon juice on my salad. So my salad is romaine lettuce. It has some cucumbers, some red onions, and some yellow peppers. So I also added some brown pepper, and now I'm gonna just add my chicken into it. And this is my, that's a little too much, but I'll eat it, believe me. So this is gonna be my late lunch, first meal of the day actually. So this is my salad, and then I'm going to show you other ways that you can do it. So these are the other ways that you guys can eat the chicken. Make it with tostada tortillas and eat it like a tostada. I actually like to add corn in it, and they love it. And the Ritz crackers, if you put the chicken into the Ritz crackers, easy lunch and filling. I'm telling you, the kids love it. You just have to flavor it based on taste, because I don't have a specific measurement. I use mayonnaise, the ranch, and the Mrs. Dash, and I add some salt. And just do it little by little so you can get the taste and see how you guys like it. Hope this helps.